Hey guys! Today I'm showing you a super powerful charging solution, the Sabrent VOLTik 252W charging station. If you have multiple devices on your desk like a MacBook, iPhone, or tablet, this is a total game changer. This charger delivers 252W of total power, so you can fast charge multiple devices at the same time. It comes with both USB-C and USB-A ports, making it compatible with almost everything. One of the coolest features is the LED display, which shows real-time power usage. So you always know how much power each device is using. Perfect for content creators, office setups, tech lovers. Now, the downside? It's a bit pricey, but honestly, it's worth it for the performance. If you want a clean and powerful desk setup, this is a must-have. Check the link in the description.